Uttarakhand. This is a newly formed state. The Ganga and Yamuna originate in Uttarakhand. Dehradun is the capital of the state. Mussoorie in Garhwal and Nainital in Kumaon are important hill stations. The slopes are covered with thick forest of pine, oaks, deodar and fir trees. They are home to a variety of birds and animals. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people. Hindi and Gavari are the main languages. Gangotri, Yamunotri, Badrinath, and Kendranath are important places of religious and tourist interest. Sikkim. The word Sikkim has been derived from the word Sukkim, meaning happy homeland. It is a very small state. It has high mountains and deep rivers, valleys. The people here belongs to three main tribes: Lipcha, Bhutia, and Nepali. Women wear colorful jewelries made out of gold and beads. Sikkim is famous for the beautiful orchids. Orchids means the most highly covered of ornamental plants that grows here. There. The capital of the state is Gangtok. West Bengal. The northern mountains are confined to the northern parts of the state. The capital of West Bengal is Kolkata. Darjeeling is a hill station situated in the northern part of West Bengal. It is famous for the tea grown on the slopes of the hill. Northeastern states. The northeastern part of India has 7 states. These are called the Seven Sisters. People in this state have their own customs, dresses, and languages. Arunachal Pradesh is the largest state in this region, and Itanagar is its capital city. The state is sparsely populated and people lived in small groups in tilt houses. They are hunters and farmers and grows rice, maize, millets, tobacco and oil seeds. Sparsely means small populated and people lived in a small group in a tilt house. The capital of Assam is Dispur. It has a large tea plantation where thousands of people work. Assam is famous for its silk. Some parts of Assam lies in the mountain region while others are in the northern plains. The word Meghalaya means abode of clouds, mean residential of clouds or house of clouds. The capital of Meghalaya is Shillong. Shillong is a beautiful hill station. The people belongs mostly to Garo, Khasi and Jaintia tribes. The capital of Nagaland is Kohima. The Nagas are mainly farmers and hunters. They wear colorful dress. The capital of Manipuri is Imphal. The main occupation of the people are farming and weaving. They also make beautiful things from bamboo, cane and leather. The Manipuri dance forms is very popular. Mizoram. Mizoram means land of the hill people. Aizawl is the capital city. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people. Most Mizos know how to read and write. The word Tirupura means the three worlds. Tirupura is surrounded on 3 sides by Bangladesh. The capital of Tirupura is Agartala. The people of this state make beautiful things from cane and bamboo. Points to recall: the northern mountain includes the Karakoram, Ladakh, and the Himalayan ranges of mountains. The Himalayas has three mountain ranges that runs parallel to each other: Himadri, Himachal, and Shivalik. The Himalayas help us in many ways. A number of states are located in the northern mountains: Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, parts of West Bengal and Assam, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, and Meghalaya. Thank you, students. We'll meet you in the next class.